because the next step is to follow the framework. First of all, the first one is just buying deals, understanding that it's the most amazing asset out there. It has all these benefits. You're going to start buying it. You're starting to look at it as a business. But then follow the framework. Buy right, manage right, and finance right. And utilize and learn all of the different strategies that we teach our students. We teach them how to syndicate deals, how to raise capital. Oh, I don't have enough money. Okay, learn how to raise capital. Learn how to partner with people. Learn how to joint venture. Learn how to refinance these deals and roll it into the next deal. Learn all about seller financing. That's the next step to becoming a multifamily entrepreneur, because I think the more options you have, the more opportunities you're going to be able to take to close deals, and understanding where you are in the market cycle. Right now, the market cycle is pointing to goodbye to the seller's market cycle, and the buyers are having a little bit more of an opportunity now. And is it any coincidence that we've already closed a deal about 6 weeks ago and we had seller financing on it, and we've got deals presented to us with seller financing? If we didn't know that strategy, would we be able to close these deals? I don't know what the answer is, but I'm just telling you right now, the more strategies and techniques that you learn, the more opportunities you're going to be able to close deals. So the first one is that conveyor belt once again. The second one is follow the Jake and Gino framework. Buy right, manage right, and finance right.
Dude, it's not even, it is our framework, but it's literally the framework for sound multifamily investing. It's the same as 1 + 1 = 2. That's how sound this framework is, guys. But it really is. Multifamily investing is not rocket science. It's buying right, having the right parameters, managing right, following your KPIs, and getting good financing terms with non-recourse long-term fixed rate debt. And you were mentioning the deals a minute ago, Gino. To me, it was literally like a light switch was flicked on. And the funniest thing about it is people know intuitively, like, this is the time where you want to be buying, but more buyers have retreated from this market and more sellers have entered, and the pricing has gotten better. It's just so amazing, the dynamics right now. And it's what a great time to be on the buy side, but more people have pulled out, and it's actually created more opportunities. So literally, it felt like it was overnight. This light switch went on. It was like, oh, wow. We look sexy again. Hey, let's party. You want to go out? And we're buying stuff. And
full disclosure, I always look sexy. I don't know about you, baby. I always look sexy. And just say, what? Maybe the peel wasn't there.
I might be too much of a miser, but holy crap! It was like, man, we just went in. We got some like Botox and a facelift and a mud pie on us or something. We came out looking pretty again. It was nice.